Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. This speeds pairing and prevents conflicts. First, make sure the Land Cruiser is in ACC or running so the infotainment is active, and check for a software update if prompted. Updates fix compatibility. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and remove any previous Toyota entries to avoid name collisions. Once done, open the Multimedia Setup menu in the head unit and select Bluetooth pairing mode so the system becomes discoverable for your phone. Now pair the devices together. On the vehicle, pick Add Device or Pair New Phone. The head unit will broadcast a visible name. Then, on your phone's Bluetooth list, locate and tap that Toyota name. Match the PIN shown on both screens to ensure you're connecting to the correct system. Confirming the code prevents accidental pairing with nearby cars. After pairing, accept permission requests for phonebook and media, so calls and audio routing work correctly when you start driving. Finish by making the phone the primary device if you want automatic reconnect every time. This saves you manual steps later. Test a phone call, stream music, and use voice commands to verify microphone and speaker levels, adjusting volumes in settings so callers hear you clearly. If the system won't connect, a quick reboot of your phone and head unit often clears transient glitches. Otherwise, forget the pairing on both sides and repeat the process. This resets stale Bluetooth caches and usually resolves stubborn faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.